Well, I'm here at the Boeing swap meet, the model railroad event in the Seattle area, and I just wanted to give you an idea of what happens when a whole bunch of model railroaders come together and exchange stuff. It's like a never-ending treasure trove of model railroad supplies, kits, and this is just one room of two. Here, I'll go show you the other room too. Here's room number 2. See, there are all kinds of buildings, locomotives, bridges, happy vendors glad to sell you what they've got, and even track. Yay!